So you want to pay off debt and save for retirement, but you realize that cutting expenses can only get you so far. When you're trying to pay off debt and save for retirement, the real game changer, adding income. In this video, I'm going to show you how YouTube can become a side hustle that can actually speed up your debt-free journey. And by the end, you'll know if it's something that could work for you too. Can you really make money on YouTube while you're striving to meet your financial goals? The short answer is yes, but it's not quick and it's not magic, but it can actually fit into your financial journey. Most people think that paying off debt is only about trimming those expenses, canceling subscriptions, and skipping takeout, or even budgeting tighter. And yes, all of that matters, and it's a huge part of it. But the other side of the equation is your income. The more income that you earn, the faster the momentum. So the challenge is just finding that side hustle that fits into your life and your skills and your long term financial plans. For many people, including me, YouTube became that opportunity. And by the way, I'm Renee, a mom from California who is currently paying off debt. 6 months ago, I was all in on Dave Ramsey's 7 baby steps to financial freedom. And I really wish I could tell you that I was already on the other side of that finish line so that I could give you some expert advice. But hey, I'm over 50, I'm raising a family, and I'm a full time teacher. So if you want to see how I'm figuring it all out because you're on a financial journey too, then maybe the idea of building an audience of people appeals to you. And over time, as your YouTube channel grows, it can be something that can be an income stream. And that stream can go towards paying off debt and saving for retirement. But reality check, you guys. I know, and we all know, let's be real. YouTube, it doesn't pay right away. To qualify for monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 12 months. And that can take some time. And even when you do get monetized, the average ad rate is actually $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. And that means with a video that has 10,000 views, it might only bring in $20 to $50. So that's not life-changing money. But remember, videos keep earning long after you hit that publish button. So how does YouTube connect to you paying off debt? Well, think of it this way. Any extra $100 that you make on YouTube can go straight to your debt snowball. And that's like finding an extra bill payment without even working a second job. And that keeps you out of working late nights. Plus the skills you gain, you guys, that's something that most people overlook. Even if your channel grows slowly, you're still earning these valuable skills along the way, like video editing and marketing and communication. And those skills can open up doors to freelancing or other online income streams. So nothing that you learn here on YouTube is wasted. The challenge is, you guys, of course, it's not easy. YouTube takes consistency. It takes patience. It takes willingness to learn new skills like filming and editing and connecting with an audience. So if you're serious about it, though, it can pay you big over time. You just have to have that mindset shift. So remember, whatever financial journey you're on, whether it's paying off debt or building a retirement fund, or even if you're in the investment stage, just cutting expenses temporarily, it's not what it's all about. You have to have that mindset shift, and YouTube can help. YouTube, it can teach you patience and creativity and persistence. And those are the same habits that spill over into how we manage our money. So if you're on a financial journey right now, then it's just time to start thinking about what kind of side hustle fits you. Maybe it's YouTube, maybe it's freelancing, and maybe it's something completely different. The key is don't just cut out those expenses, you guys. Grow your income too. That's how you're going to speed up your journey. My final thought on this, you guys, if you're already doing a side hustle that's helping you pay down debt or save for your retirement, please let me know in the comments because I'd love to hear your story. And if you want to see exactly how my YouTube channel grows while I'm on this debt-free journey, then hit subscribe because I'll be sharing the real numbers and the real struggles and the wins along the way. Good luck to you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.